What's the meaning of amenorrhea? Amenorrhea. 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 Amenorrhea.
Amenorrhea is a medical condition characterized by the absence of menstruation in women of reproductive age. It can be classified as either primary, where menstruation has never occurred, or secondary, where menses have previously occurred but have since stopped. Amenorrhea can be caused by various factors, including pregnancy, hormonal imbalances, weight loss, stress, and certain medications. Depending on the cause, amenorrhea can lead to infertility, osteoporosis, and other health issues if left untreated. Treatment options include addressing underlying medical conditions and hormone therapy.